And we're hopeful that through these programs, we will see much more collaboration between the Northeast states and the G20 nations.
The G20 Space Economy Leaders Meeting lani ke SELM kadang ya chakmat ha Shillong ha khanyo tere uyayong ha hotel courtyard by Marriott. Menti rong ba gejala konrad ke sangmau lo ong ba ka Meglaya ka long kap donbok ban pediang ban pelong ya kan ni Jingïalang ha shwa ka Space Economy Leaders Meeting halor ka Space Economy Policy and New Space kumshi benta jong ka G20 meet ha Shillong lapin paru ya jing pediang sngobhaya baro economic mat shaka jalan ke Meglaya ka watepru kum ka rigil.
I would like to once again thank the Honorable Prime Minister for his great vision to ensure that all the different states would participate in the overall G20 program.
Kani ga Jingïalang ka long banwan ra e ga jingtip ba jing Shaphrang ha padang economic man jong kiri ka G20 badru kiri ba sha khot halor ki jing no sinyang ka tanat how lani ka space ha ga yo ka jong ka protehi ba ka wei but banyak keren ru halor ka Jingïalang jong ka Space Economy Leaders Meeting ka bansalong ha upnai nai tung araja alpunlai ha Bengaluru.
And therefore, we're happy that important decisions, discussions and policy matters will be discussed here in Shillong. Meghalaya and the Northeast as a whole has to contribute, and I'm sure will contribute more in the coming years. We have seen that slowly and steadily Northeast India has been now contributing much more to the overall economic activity in the country.
Kasorka Meglaya kan tag-inam ro yakariti ka dustur ka barius fa jong ka jala ba economic man kinyo lahat ban saki ka mariang ka ba itanat jong ka nong ba Shillong ba ka Meglaya ka ba long ro shibenta jong ka ni ka Jingïalang.